So here we have our local sanddabs. You can fry them, you can bake them, and they're super light and sweet. You shouldn't be afraid to eat these sanddabs whole. The bones are really small and they crisp up really good when you fry them. And we're gonna cut about 2 of these because I think 2 is a really good treat for one person. I don't think you can just eat one sanddabs. That's the preparation if you wanted to take the heads off. And this is the preparation if you want to leave the heads on, which is, some people prefer that. So, okay, we're gonna bread the sanddabs in flour, egg, and masa. I like to do it with masa flour because you get a super crispy end result to the sanddabs. And I learned this is the best way I like to eat it. As you can see, that's a super fine breading right there. I'm gonna take tomatoes, peppers, and throw them on the grill to get a good char, and we're gonna make our homemade ezme sauce, which is a Turkish salsa. So now we take some smoked paprika. We're gonna add olive oil, and then we're gonna mix it up. So now we're gonna take our sanddabs to the fryer. I'm gonna show you how to make the crispiest sanddabs you've seen. Away they go. Super crispy. Sea salt, pepper. Then we got super crispy sanddabs. This is crispy sanddabs with the masa breading and the ezme salsa.